cinnamon rolls made with mashed potato. Does this sound wrong?
Hi, I'm Joanne, and with Cameron and Steve, we are Make, Taste, Rate, where we test viral recipes for you. Today's recipe is intriguing, and it's called cinnamon rolls, but in Australia we call them cinnamon scrolls. This recipe is an Amish secret, and it's made with a special ingredient. In my past life, I owned and managed a bakery for 14 years, and the bakers never used this particular product. But so this recipe is intriguing in that way. And this cinnamon scrolls are made with potatoes. So, is this recipe easy? Is it worth it? Let's make it.
We need these ingredients, and we begin by warming the milk to 115 degrees Fahrenheit. To activate the yeast, we mix milk, water, 2.5 teaspoons of dry yeast and a teaspoon of sugar. Adding the remaining ingredients.
In go the potatoes, the Amish secret. 2 eggs. And the salt. And then the bread flour. Okay, let's see how that goes. So I'm just going to mix it up a little bit as per the recipe.
This recipe has had thousands of views, so it's exciting to see how they turn out. If you are enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up.
What are you doing now?
I'm hand mixing it. I have a bit of an idea what bakers do with bread.
So you know what good dough looks like?
Yes. So it's getting there.
Yeah. You got a window pane yet?
Nearly. Window pane. So I just need to prove this now. As per the recipe, grab wrap on, and then in a warm spot. So I'm going to put a warm, cosy tea towel over it and let it prove.
And rise for 1 hour.
Look at that.
Recipe appeals to you, you'll find the name of the channel in the credit at the end of this video.
Brilliant, I think. Smells lovely, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Can you smell it? Cameraman Steve, can you smell it?
Yeah.
The cinnamon and the light brown sugar smells divine. Now to roll it lengthways and attempt to cut even pieces.
Just see how we go down here. This big fat one. Ooh, it looks so good, don't they?
Remember, these are made with potato. Look how well they turned out. If you would like to see more of these videos, hit the subscribe button. Now to let them rise for a further 30 minutes.
These look pretty good. What do you think, cameraman Steve? Now to put them in the oven for 27 to 30 minutes.
Let us know in the comments if you think you would give this recipe a go. We'd love to hear from you. Cinnamon scrolls are ready.
My giddy aunt.
Perfect cinnamon scrolls.
Her recipe, the creator said you need to be 85.
Right,
What are we? Oh yeah?
89.
Oh yeah. So that's definitely cooked.
Yep.
Beautiful.
Making a cream cheese icing as per the recipe. I really hope you try this recipe. These turned out perfect. There you go, cameraman Steve.
Very nice.
All right, time for the taste test. Can't believe how high these buns are. Definitely impressed by this recipe. Let's try it. Yes. You need to make this recipe. You will be impressed. It is delicious.
All right, now for the make, taste, rate verdict. I score this recipe a 9 out of 10. Cameraman Steve scores this recipe an 8 out of 10. We think this recipe is worth it. Join us next time as we test another viral recipe for you.